Today I'm playing with my Solana family. I love playing with my Solana family. First, the elephant family. Let me tell you who they are. So this are the elephant mom and dad. These are the elephant kid. Now I need my rabbit family. Just have to find them. I got a big box full of Solana family. Oh, I actually found one. My dog sometimes help me to look for them. My dog name is Aloe. I love Aloe. I got lots of different homes. I got a tree house. I got a watermelon house. A pink and yellow house. And I got the brown house. They can go on a holiday. I love playing with my Solana families. It's heap of fun. Bye!